Union Minister Sudarshan Bhagat avoids media query on location of the proposed memorial of Rani Gaidinliu in Nagaland. Desam to launch drive against sales of expired items in shops in and around Imphal. And people of Wangkai block roads leading to Thumbuthong Bridge for 2 consecutive days, demanding their repair. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News, and I'm Kishore Chandra Wangkimcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Union Minister of State for Rural Development Sudarshan Bhagat refused to answer to a query on why the library cum memorial museum of Rani Gaidinliu should be constructed in Nagaland instead of constructing in Manipur, her birthplace. Speaking to media person at BJP office at Niti Aipat Tuthek, the Union Minister said he came to attend the birth centenary celebration of Rani Gaidinliu. He, however, avoided to respond to media query on the location of the proposed memorial of Rani Gaidinliu. However, it appears that the minister is unlikely to visit and see the welfare programs being taken up in the villages. Lok Sabha MP and BJP State Morcha National President Fagan Singh Kulaste, BJP State Morcha National Vice President Ramesh Chand Meena and leaders of BJP Manipur Pradesh attended the press meet. It may be recalled that Union Minister of State for Labour and Employment Bandaru Dattaria, Minister of State for Rural Development and Land Resources Sudarshan Bhagat, and Chairman of Parliamentary Committee Welfare of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Fagan Singh Kulaste arrived in Imphal this afternoon on a 3-day visit to Manipur. The main purpose of their visit is to participate in the birth centenary celebration of Rani Gaidinliu at Senapati. The celebration, which is scheduled for tomorrow, is a continuation of the birth centenary celebration held at Bigyan Bhavan in New Delhi on August 24. It may be recalled that Prime Minister Narendra Modi advised the ministers and MPs to visit the northeast states at least twice a year to understand the problems and issues faced by them and to establish a good relationship with these states. BJP Manipur Pradesh workers and officials of state government received them at Imphal International Airport. Minister of State for Rural Development and Land Resources Sudarshan Bhagat told media at the airport that he will decide the steps to be taken for the state after consulting the leaders of BJP Manipur Pradesh.
हम मुख्य रूप से कल के कार्यक्रम के लिए हम आए हैं। कल सेनापति में हमारा रानी जो गाइडलाइनों की जो शताब्दी वर्ष जो चल रहा है, जन्म शती वर्ष जो है, तो उसी कार्यक्रम में भाग लेने के लिए मुख्य रूप से आए हैं। हम आए हैं तो निश्चित रूप से हमारी विभाग के साथ बैठक होगी और बैठक के बाद हम निश्चित रूप से यहाँ की जो भी कमियाँ हैं या अपने पदाधिकारियों के साथ बैठने के बाद फिर हम तय करेंगे।
At least 8 persons, including 3 councillors and 1 member of Lamlai Municipal Council, have joined BJP. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thangrajum Chauba today welcomed the new entrants at the party office at Niti Aipat Tuthek. Convener of RTI cell BJP Manipur Pradesh, Mongjam Poirehanba, told media that the party will file a PIL against the misappropriation of funds of Lamlai Municipal Council. Councillor Ngangom Robin, who has newly joined the BJP, said the session of Lamlai Municipal Council is not held regularly. He alleged that councillors in connivance with executive officers have embezzled the fund.
2013 degi moin majority wajana moichi Lamlai Municipal Nagar Panchayat si paigre paigi bidegi di ai gi matam de sanction order khara lewe madu paisa sing du moina akhoi ta da bida akhoi majority ore akhoi congress ni noidi moigi wakhalon da akhoi di noidi CPI ni MPP ni noidi maru pandram ne haibe gi mawong da akhoi gi lediba board sida no mata akhoi meeting phamina dana hairiba sanction si lauthosi sanction je akhoi result thoroga lauthosi khotosi amata akhoi ta da bida moi ku si tawgre sanction number sing je akhoi ngasi bogda akhoi da masi gi thabak program karim da akhoi khangba leite.
Meanwhile, convener of RTI cell Mongjam Poirehanba told media that the steps will be taken to ensure that the guilty are brought to book. He also appealed to people to be careful in electing their representatives.
Lamlai municipality area da koi Lamlai gi councillor sing na riba ran basing haibadi makhoi na soinung bagdau tawsanba adai councillor singsiga tana tiknadana thabak tawsanba lambi thong sembagi paisa lawthoga semdaba BJP da join toraiba councillor ohum sidagi phangiba document sina lemhoriba councillor singsida akoi PIL thaduna khoi moigi mathakta yam kanna khoi mieng changsalagani amadi masigumba ranba mayam si masi tawbagi damakta moigi mathakta phamham thongpa khoi serak phangnabagi damakta khoi angamba thakta khoi Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Manipur Pradesh ki side tagi khoi honarani.
On the other hand, Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh in a press release expressed concern at the distribution of rice under PDS by MLAs in their respective constituencies, citing Kaishamthong Assembly constituency as an example where only 22 or 23 kg of rice were distributed out of 35 kg allotted for each family. The press release said it is an open robbery and urged authority concerned to furnish the actual amount, failing which the party will take legal action against the department and individuals concerned. Aam Aadmi Party Manipur has expressed the hope that the appointment of O. Nabakishore as the Chief Secretary of Manipur will inspire the people of the state. Now, volunteers of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur today caught a shopkeeper who was selling expired products. The shopkeeper has been identified as Surjit Kumar, 28, from Balia district in Uttar Pradesh. The volunteers of Desam raided the shop near the eastern gate of DM College after a student of DM College bought Maza drink. He developed stomach pain after drinking it. When checked, the product had passed expiry date. The shop was selling many expired items. The General Secretary said many expired items are being sold in the state due to negligence of the government. He also said Desam will begin a drive to check if shops in and around Imphal are selling expired items.
Mairoi singilop amadi Desamna su hairiba singmu yolamba singase koi phagat laikre koi ki phagat khraba adugumnaba posai sing adu yolamba dukandar sing ado adugi mathakta makhoi ki mathakta lana yolamniba niong kaine yolamniba mayam singi marakta ngasi phau moi ki mathakta chapchaba action amakhak logdabana maram moira kanda asigumna khoi ki expire oi posai sing asi yonbagi se khoi makha chatharakpani makha tana khoi yolakta namagi damakta su khoi ki food safety gi official singna makhoi ki mathakta chapchaba action logadabani asigumma ngasi phagalaiba khoi ki Surjit Kumar Hairiba Music Manipur government Mahaki Matakta Chapchaba action logodamni haba Desangu site ki appeal tori.
A woman was rushed to JNIMS hospital after she consumed ORS this morning around 11:30. The woman is identified as Thuigonmai of Ragairong near Commando Complex. Report says that she bought an ORS drink from near her house and she lost consciousness after she drank it.
Yumgi maningda dukan layeba aduda lawrakpaneba adu lawraga thakpa kanduda nang lawba ma ka khatpako adudagi asidi kari noina adu makhada haisinba koido adudagi ma se hakchang sin humang se kam khattana ko mang se kam khattana adu ma se gyan taraktre adudagi khoisu hostel da dum khudakta khoi pukhalapneba.
The roads from YVO Wangkai Puja Lampak to Hari Khagok Makhong Guru Aribam Road to Thumbuthong Bridge are closed for the second consecutive day today. The local clubs and Maira Paivis have closed to Thangapad Road, Guru Aribam Road, Nahabam Basketball Court to Thangapad Road, Purit Mayum Lairak. The protesters are demanding the authorities to repair the road. The deplorable condition of the road had caused many accidents. School students, the people attending religious ceremonies and media persons are relaxed by the protesters. Mention may be made that protesters blocking the road had their lunch on the roadsides. One of the women protesters told Impact News that earlier the locals of the area submitted a memorandum to local MLA Elangbam Chan requesting him to repair the road. MLA Chan stated that a budget of ₹1 crore is required to repair the 700-meter stretch road. It is worth mentioning that Chief Minister had ordered MLA Chan to fill the potholes on these roads due to shortage of funds in the PWD. Wahimbam Thaza told Impact News that the roads will be blocked until it is repaired.
Wangkai Puja Lampakdagina Thangapad Paring si lambi yada begini koi na sarkar da haijaki da response amta laktaba sempiu yada ba moina ahob dang me laga token haiba adu gi da koi ni pamjade adu tobinu MLA da haijab da MLA su ya bitre moi pesare tre phale tre semar hai adu na sembi ri phauti koi lambi se matam kakta na thinjanjarani da ngasi ngarang de hauna chatha jarakani koi se matam kakta na mi amata chapa yada na thinjanjarani.
People have decided to close the 8-kilometer stretch of road from Tidim Road to Laimaram Waterfall, demanding upgradation of the road to meet the increasing load of traffic. 10 villages from the valley and 7 from the hills, including Leimaram, Waroiching, Awang Hainobok, Makha Hainobok, formed the development JAC to press the demand of the people. President of the JAC, Ningthogjam Ibomchat, today told the media at Manipur Press Club that if the authority does not repair the road within October, the JAC will prevent tourists and trucks collecting sands and stones will be prevented from passing the road from the first week of November. He warned that the government should be held responsible for any consequences. He also said memorandums had been submitted to Chief Minister, Works Minister, PhD Minister and MLA Dr. I. Ibohulmi to repair the road. Thangapat Lambi Demand Committee Apunba Loop in a press release stated they will intense their agitations to press their demand to repair the road. They said Wangkai Kongba Road will also be closed from the 8th of this month. Now, Sainik School Imphal Pangai completes 44 years today. Sainik School Imphal, a residential English medium public school for boys, was established in October 7, 1971 at Pangai. The school imparts a public school education with military basis. The school today celebrated Foundation Day at the school's auditorium. Principal, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, alumni of the school, students and parents of the school took part in the celebration. The third General Conference of Manipuri Association Northeast India, MANEI, will be held from December 19 to 20 in Imphal. Addressing media person at IMA Conference Hall in Kaishampat, Vice President of the Association, T.H. Manihar, said discussion will be held on the declining population of Meitei community in the Northeast states. Manihar said Meitei community living in the Northeast, Bangladesh and Myanmar will participate in the conference. Manipuri Association Northeast India was formed in 2013 for the welfare of Meitei community with its headquarters at Guwahati. The first general conference was held in Sikkim and second in Arunachal Pradesh.
अखोई तोान तोान कल्चरल है अखोई जगोई पुंग इसे लेरिबा लीला धर्मा अखोई मखोइरोमदगी लाग उल्लगे उठपा अखोई मरुओइना मणिपुर अखोइना अखोई मणिपुर की ट्रेडिशन चनबी कल्चर मैम से मखोइदा उल्लकांद मणिपुर सुमाइना हिंगौरी हाइबदुमगी मोइदा पाउजंगदुमगा पिनिंगबा अखोई हाइरिबा कॉन्फ्रेंस असि मपुंग फानबा होनबदा मणिपुर मिपुंग खुदिंगमगना थौदांग लौमिनसी अंगम मतेंग.
In Lilong, a man was stabbed when he went to recover his money. The victim, identified as 40-year-old Mohammad Tajuddin, son of late Islamuddin of Lilong Turel Ahanbi Dam Makhong, is now admitted in ICU at Shiza Hospital. The incident occurred last night near Lilong Turel Ahanbi Dam. Angry locals last night torched the house of the accused, identified as Muhammad Habibur, alias Khomai, 70 years, son of late Abdullah of Lilong Turel Ahanbi, Atau Khong Mamang Lekai. However, police is yet to arrest the accused, although an FIR has been registered. A public meeting will be held at Lilong Turel Ahanbi Laikai tonight in connection with the incident.
Aigi wakhanda ai laita lairabana maram oiraga ai magi punchi si karigumbu loikhiba taragadi aigi punchi angang laihoriba lairik tammiba angang singsigi kari oigedamo ma laikhidaba matungda kari oirakadamo haibadugi wakhanduni aina khwaidagi nungaitriba pendriba aigi nupada thangna jalammiba khomai haji si magi mathakta chairak pibiu ain gi matungina mangonda action laukhatpiu hojik phawbadi ma phadri maran gi matungina ma si chairak piba pammi.
Moirang Purel Dam area, Chingtam Apunba Loop today held a sit-in against yesterday's explosion at Moirang Purel Pura Makong. Women folk of the area took part in the protest. The protesters displayed placards that read, "People want peace. Do not create panic among the people" during the sit-in. The protesters also appealed to all concerned not to explode in residential areas. Lai Harauba Sintak Sindamba, the 5-day training on the traditions and rituals of Lai Harauba concluded today at Palace Compound. Manipur Pandit Loising organized the training with an objective to protect and preserve the age-old traditions of Lai Harauba, followed by Maiba and Maibi. The closing function was held today at Pandit Loising in Palace Compound with members of Govindaji Temple Board and number of Maiba and Maibi recognized by Pandit Loising taking part. Vice President of Govindaji Temple Board, Dr. K.H. Lokin Singh, emphasized the need to publish books on the traditions of Lai Harauba and to establish a museum to preserve the costumes used in the Lai Harauba for the benefit of the younger generation. The Waikom Lekai Volunteers Society for Development and S. Kumar Institute of Film Industry congratulated Sanathoi Laishram of Singjamai Waikom Lekai on having conferred Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Awards 2015. The two bodies separately felicitated Sanathoi Laishram at their offices on Tuesday. The 7th Foundation Day of Yelho Inad Sindamlub was held today at this office at Soibam Lekai Wangkai Kuno. Members of the organization, students attended the function, among others. Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board will celebrate Mera Chaurel Hauba on the 14th of this month at Haying Khongbal in First MR Complex. People will assemble at Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple at 8:30 in the morning and then march towards Nungjeng Ikok Achauba Pukri in the Kangla to collect water. Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board in a press release appealed to people to participate in Mera Hau Chongba to be celebrated on the 27th of this month. People from the hills and valley will exchange gifts on the occasion. Kamal Films Mayon was launched today at Sankar Talkish in Lamphel. Kaiku, Bala, Boni, Rosie are the main cast of the film, written by Roji. Kamal Patni Jain is the producer of the film, to be directed by Srujakanta. Time now for a short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandrawang Kimcham. Now in sports news. NACO Nambul Mapal beat YPHU Lalambung by a solitary goal in the 32nd league match of the 10th Manipur State League today. WB Kash of NACO Nambul Mapal netted the solitary goal in the 32nd minutes of the match. In the 33rd league match, SSU Singjamai beat Trau Kwakaithel 2-1. SSU goals were scored by El Gogo Chand in the 36th minute and H. Dayananda in the 85th minute. Trau Kwakaithel's lone goal was scored by S. Rattan in the 58th minute. The tournament is sponsored by Kumukcham Ingocha Memorial Trust and organized by All Manipur Football Association at Imphal Polo Ground. 12 teams are competing. Neroka FC Sangakpham will face ZFC Churachandpur, while USA Kurai will meet AIM Khabam Lamkai in tomorrow's league matches. In a boys event of the under-14 boys and girls state-level inter-school handball tournament, Thawal thrashed Ukhrul 13-14, Chandel defeated Tamenglong 11-5, Bishnupur trounced Imphal West 7-2, Imphal East drubbed Jiribam 10-0, while Kangpopi beat Chandel 10-9. In the girls event, Thawal thrashed Ukhrul 10-3, Bishnupur defeated Imphal West 6-1, while Imphal East trounced Jiribam 5-2. The tournament, which kicked off yesterday at Kumalam Park Sports Complex, is organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Manipur. Trial for Imphal West District Inter-School Kho-Kho, Kickboxing, Thangta, Sepak Takraw and Cycling, scheduled on October 9 to 12, will be conducted from October 10 to 12. District Youth Affairs and Sports Officer Imphal West in a press release asked the players to report by 7 a.m. on October 10. Imphal East and Ukhrul District will clash in the final of Under-17 Girls State-Level Inter-School Volleyball Tournament. In the first semi-final played today, Imphal East defeated Churachandpur 24-26, 25-20, 25-16, 25-22. In the second semi-final, Ukhrul defeated Bishnupur 25-19, 16-25, 23-25, 25-18, 16-14. While in the Under-17 Boys State-Level Inter-School Volleyball Tournament, Imphal West trounced Churachandpur 25-12, 25-13, 25-19. In the second match, Ukhrul defeated Jiribam 25-11, 25-9, 25-11 to enter quarterfinals. The tournament is organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Manipur, which kicked off from yesterday at Kumalam Park Indoor Stadium. Manipur dropped Pondicherry 20-0 today in the Group A match of the Junior Girls National Football Championship held in Goa. Ratanbala, Daya, Hemolata, Preni Chiru, Kashmina, Ranjana and Achonbi scored the goals for the Manipur team. Manipur will once again meet Pondicherry on October 9 after Punjab withdrew from the championship. Now, YOSC Kurai have clinched the Maharaj Kumar Ghanendra Singh Memorial Super Division Football League Tournament. In the last league match played today, YOSC Kurai beat Nifso Kaibi by 4-2 to claim the tournament with 25 points. The tournament was organized by Imphal East District Football Association at SWC Common Ground. Citizen Club Soibam Lamkai and KITC Khetri Iril Mapal are relegated from the tournament. SSC Porompat beat UYLAB Porompat Tawan Thaba by 2-0. SCY Yumnam Kono beat HUFA Haingang 2-1, while RPS Wangjing and GSC Yumnam Kono went for 1-1 draw in the Under-13 Boys League matches of the first W. Ibohal Singh ex-MLA and second late W. Pishak Singh Memorial Under-13 and Under-15 Boys 7-a-side football tournament. Meanwhile, YUC Kairang defeated SSCY Porompat 4-1. UYLA Porompat Thawan Thaba and SWC Wangoi Top Sipai were drawn 2-2 in the Under-15 boys matches. The tournament is organized by Unemployment Youth Learners Association Porompat Thawan Thaba, Imphal East. In a league match of Imphal West, the 3rd Division football tournament played today, UPC Pishum beat IWSC Kumbong 2-0. Pamyal Patsoy outclassed BBA Mayang Imphal by 3-0. YWC Langthabal trounced YOC Kodom Pokpi 3-0, while LFC Kangla Tombi beat Sun Club Mongsangai 2-1. 12 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Imphal West District Football Association at Malom Terakha ground. Ibudau Wangbren Khana Chauba Kangkut B defeated Lak Kangkut Thangweban 1912 in the 60th Sir Churchan Singh G KCSI CBE League Cum Knockout Open Kang tournament today. Hosted by Ibudau Moirang Pokpa Development Kang Association under the guidance of Manipur Kang Association at Ibudau Moirang Pokpa Shanglen, Laifrakpam Laikai Kakwa from 27th of last month. 13 Kangkuts are taking part in the tournament. Yai School Kangkut and Singjamai Kangkut will meet tomorrow. AKU Kangkut Thangweban beat KKCO Elangbam Laikai Kangkut by 26-12 in the 11th Players Trophy League Cum Knockout Kang tournament organized by Yai School Kangkut at Sri Sri Gopal Deva Mandap, Yai School Chinga Kham Laikai. LSK Wangoi Kangkut will play Yai School Kangkut tomorrow. Now, Chingakam Jayalakshmi was given a grand welcome when she arrived at Imphal International Airport today. Representing India, Jayalakshmi won gold in the Asian Bench Press Powerlifting Championship held at Muscat, capital of Oman, from September 30 to October 6, organized by Asian Powerlifting Federation. Jayalakshmi clinched gold in the sub-junior 84 kg category. She also bagged the Strong Women of Asia and Best Lifter titles. Jayalakshmi is a daughter of Chingakam Gopal and Chingakam Ibemcha from Lairen Kabi, Maning Lekai. Members of Rural Development Club along with locals of Lairen Kabi, Maning Lekai and other players received Jayalakshmi at the airport. And now before you wind up, here is a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Union Minister Sudarshan Bhagat avoids a media query on location of the proposed memorial of Rani Gaidinliu in Nagaland. Desam to launch drive against sales of expired items in shops in and around Imphal. And people of Wangkai blocked roads leading to Tumbutong Bridge for 2 consecutive days demanding their repair.